Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So let's be honest here. I'm sick of giving you guys the simple crochet method, and I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing the same thing over and over. So for this style, I'm going to switch it up a little bit, and I'm going to give you half stitch braids, half crochet. So please stay tuned for that. So here we have my beautiful knees. We're going to always start with the middle part. Alright, so first of all, don't ask me no questions about the two different colors. Also, don't ask me no questions about the edges. That is not my response. It is my responsibility to grow them, but she purposely did that to her edges, so we're not going to talk about that. So let's get into the hair. So from Nala Tresses from Janet Collection sent me 8 packs of their Flossi box braids 30-inch 1B. Okay guys, so one thing I've been noticing is these crochet companies are definitely getting super duper creative with the hair, and I absolutely love it because I love the texture of these hair, the texture of these braids. They just look absolutely beautiful in person, and I absolutely love working with them. I'm not gonna lie, this is a fact. I love working with these creative hair, creative styles. So this is their 30-inch Flossi braids. I will link all the description to the hair and where you can get it from in the description box. Okay, so let's begin the crochet here. I'm probably not going to talk throughout this whole video, however I just wanted to break it down. So here I'm just parting her hair from ear to ear, and this is gonna basically cut her head in half. So I've cut it in half from the center, and now I'm going to cut it in half going from the other side. So like I said about her edges, guys, do not blame me. I know I do her hair all the time, but she literally cut it herself. So I'm gonna throw some stitch braids in it. However, I have to be careful because I don't want to put further damage to her edges, so I always scoop the edges back as far as possible when they're damaged so that I do not further increase the damage. So when I'm braiding, I know that it looks a little tight, but I promise you it is not. And I always ask my client, like, are you okay? Is it good? That is something, if you are a braider, you should consistently ask your client and make sure you're not doing their hair too tight. So here I am just stitching away, and obviously her hair is short on the edges and on the sides, so you're not really going to see the stitches that well in this braid. However, you know, keep on looking. So like I said, I'm going to have crochet at the back of her head, so no, I'm not going to braid it all the way out, and just stay tuned for the braid pattern that I'm going to do for the crochet. What I love about this video, dolls, is you can see my decision making skills as I'm going. I did not plan this hairstyle out. I just was winging it as I go. So you're gonna see a lot of times where I'm pausing, stopping, and so like, what am I doing? So I did decide, like, okay, this hairstyle is gonna be a little too boring. Let me throw something in it. So I decided to throw a little heart in it, or a couple hearts in it, just to make it a little bit more creative. I know that's what going on right now, is a lot of hearts, a lot of like designs in the braids, so I just wanted it not to be a regular, you know, half braid style. However, I must say, like, her hair is very fine, so it's, you know, sometimes that can be a little bit hard to deal with because her head is small and her hair is fine. So those things combined sometimes could be a little bit difficult for being creative with your style, but I was able to, you know, throw it in there anyways. Okay, so the back right here is where I'm going to place the crochet. So I did go in between the parts. I didn't want to carry the same parts back because I kind of wanted it to look like be a little camouflaged with adding the crochet here. So the parts aren't exactly lined up, and I did that on purpose because I kind of just I didn't want you to see I was trying to fool y'all on where the crochet starts. So that is my method right there. This is actually, again, another first style for me. So, you never know how it's going to turn out. So you just wing whatever and see how it turns out. So for this style, I just parted it like that, carried it back, lift the hair in at the back so that, the crochet, we can add a crochet to it. So once I started adding the crochet, you can immediately notice, like, clearly there's a difference in color. Her hair is in a bunch of different colors initially. However, like, I still kept faith that it's gonna look good, and I just kept on going. So just keep on watching for the end. But yeah, I was a little bit scared, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, did I make the right decision? One thing I did know is that the front braids was a little bit too small, or was possibly gonna be too small for these the size of the crochet. However, like, there's nothing I can do much about it because, like I said, her hair is really fine, and I didn't want to throw in too much added hair or it might have looked funny. So I just kept on going, guys, and we'll see the end. And this is the finished look. She looks like she needs to be on the beach enjoying the sun and the beautiful water and all that good stuff. So this hair again is by Tress. They are part of the Janet collections, and this is their Flossi box braid. It's 30 inches long and the color is 1B. All the information you guys need will be in the description bar below, and please like, comment, let me know what you guys think. Turn on your notification, and don't forget, if you're a newcomer, please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like these. Thank you guys so much for watching. I see you guys in my next video.